Hey guys, welcome to Dance with FITZ number 3. I'm here with FITZ, Faith and Taylor, and we're going to show you our dance today. Okay guys, let's start the tutorial. We're going to start with our first move. When you notice in the music you can hear 3 separate sounds. We've got a hoo, a ha, and a hey. So we're going to listen to that. On our hoo noise, we're going to start in this position and go hoo. So it's just one movement and we're going to go hoo. I'm going to try it with the music. So it's just one hoo, and we're going to hit that, bring that knee in, and arms come down. Alright, one more time. Good job guys. For our second movement we're going to do our ha noise, and what we're going to do is bounce down really nice and low, hold our hands on our legs, and we're going to stick one foot out, jump together, and stick your other foot out, jump together. So we're only going to do that twice. We do one hoo, 2 ha's, and then back together. Right, with the music. For our second time. And one more time, we'll go through it. Well done. Okay, our third movement for today, we're going to stay down on it after we've come up after the ha. We're going to do hey. So when it says hey, we're going to bend down, open our arms up, open our legs up to one side, close it back in, and then open up to the other side. And we're going to do that movement 4 times. So in total, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once we hear that hey, we do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, from the top with the music. One more time with the music. With those movements, we're going to go through the 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to loop back again and do that 3 times. So we're going to do the hoo, ha, hey, 3, 4, and then we go back to the beginning and go hoo, ha, hey. And we're going to do that 3 times in total, and then I'll let you know what we do on the 4th one in a second. Okay, on our 4th one it's a little bit more tricky, so we're going to do our hoo, our ha, and instead of a hey this time we're going to step our foot forward, bring our knee back up, and then bring it to the back, and that's the end of our dance. So we've got our hoo, ha, and no hey, but it's got a change of beat, and we're going to end it there. So that's on our 4th time around. We do it 3 times, and on our 4th time there's no hey, we're going to end with the knee up. No worries, with the music from the top. One more time with the music. Well done, guys. I think we can do it one more time. Yeah. From the top. Well done. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time.